mid-60s. Again, the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area for this afternoon, partly sunny. Highs in the mid-50s. Southeast winds 10 to 20 miles an hour. At noon, in the Twin Cities, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 49 degrees, the dew point was 18, and the relative humidity was 29%. The wind was southeast at 16 miles an hour, gusting to 31. The pressure was 30.10 inches and falling. Around the metro, skies ranged from sunny to mostly sunny. It was 51 at St. Paul, 49 at South St. Paul, 52 at Lakeville, and 50 at Eden Prairie. Crystal reported 49, Blaine reported 52, and Lake Elmo reported 50. Across the rest of Minnesota, it was
The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.
now the forecast.